How you check someone's Snap score without adding them. The upper left, you'll see your Bitmoji there. Tap on that. And what I want you to do next is Snap score. Let's just talk about first about Snap score. So Snap score looks like this. Here you'll see the Snapchat icon here in blue, something blue, white, something. As you can see here, this person has a 16 Snapchat. So currently this person has a 16 Snap score. Okay, now since we want to check someone's Snap score without adding them, is that Snapchat has this new feature actually that you cannot see someone's Snapchat score. Let's just go back here. So let's go back here again. So let's say just find some random person here. Let's say this one. As you can see here, if you tap on this person, you cannot see the person's Snap score. It's because it's a new version. It's a new update by Snapchat community where you can only see the Snap score of your friends. And basically, is how you check someone's Snap score without adding them. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.